In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get back missing old emails in Outlook. If an email you're sure exists has seemingly vanished, the most reliable way to bring it back into view is to use Outlook on the web's powerful search filters. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that so you can quickly narrow down your results and find the message you need. First, open your browser and go to outlook.live.com. You'll land in the Outlook web interface. If you see the calendar or another section, switch to Mail so you're working in your mailbox view. Once you're in Mail, click Inbox to focus your search on your main messages. This helps reduce clutter and ensures you're searching where most mail lands. If you use Focused and Other, both sections are still part of your inbox, so you don't need to change that view for this process. Now look to the top of the page for the search bar. Click Filters. This opens a panel or drop-down that lets you build a precise search instead of typing a long query. Using filters is the key to recovering older messages because it narrows your results to the exact clues you remember. In the filter options, you can fill in the From field with the sender's name or email, add a to or CC if you remember who else was on the thread, and type a subject or keyword you recall from the message. Keep your entries simple and specific. For example, use a unique word from the subject or a product name you know was mentioned. If you're unsure of spelling, try a shorter part of the word to broaden the match. Next, select a date range. Choosing a time window, like last month, last year, or custom start and end date, dramatically cuts down noise and brings older messages back into focus. If you remember roughly when the conversation took place, even an approximate range helps. You can also select a read status. If you know you read the email, filter by read. If you're certain you never opened it, filter by unread. This tiny hint can be the difference between hundreds of results and just a handful. When your filters are set, click Search. Outlook will display the messages that match. If the list is still too long, refine one detail, tighten the date range, adjust a keyword, or specify the sender, and click Search again. Repeat until the right message appears. Once you find it, open the email and you're done. That's how you get back missing old emails in Outlook using targeted search filters.